number are we going for again?
Math Buckets is a rotation of math manipulative-based centers, and the students work in the Math Buckets to practice former skills or current skills in the curriculum. I chose buckets to make it a little bit more fun and a little bit more engaging. The students think they're playing a game. They have no real clue that they're really learning at the same time. And some of the skills that you will see are counting, sorting, graphing, coins, money, time, probability.
Can't believe cats have lots of tally marks.
Basically, the shovels came with the buckets. And so what I did is I just used a common labeler and I put the students' names on the shovels and I matched the students up heterogeneously. So I might have a medium-high leveled student or a low-level student working together.
We need 12. Oh, yeah.
The cups is a great game. It's a blank hundreds grid. And each cup has a number on it, so they place the numbered cups in each spot and make it so that it looks like a standard hundreds chart that they've seen, 100 times during the instructional day. The towers and the blocks, that's probably my favorite bucket. So the children have to take the number line pieces and put them in order from 0 all the way to 50. After the number line has been placed, they use linking cubes or Unifix cubes, and they build towers to represent each number. They start to see the towers climb, and it gives them a really good visual of what it means for a number to be greater or to get higher. So some of the buckets I make very open-ended.
70.
With this particular bucket, I put in a standard ruler with inches, as well as a tape measure, and the students can choose which tool they want to use to just measure things around their classroom. I mean, it's a great way for me to get that repetition and practice in, but also to teach that self-reliance and that independence in learning.
This table is 59.
And that's really what it's about. Not just about practicing what they've already learned on their own, but making new connections as they go along. So I think it's a great nod to first grade, and I think first grade teachers love it because they'll know that I'll send students to them that are fully prepared for mathematical concepts and skills, but not just that, but having fun and learning.